Hi everyone, just Mrs. Bennett here again. I'm going to do a few screencasts for some maths games that are on Toy Theatre. These are ones that need a bit of explanation and we're going to be using them when we do addition. So our first one is in the teacher tools section here. And if we come down here, we're going to look at this one with the dice. Dice are really good. There's lots of different interactive games you can do. We use dice a lot in the classroom, so this would be handy. First thing that you need to do is change the actual shape of the dice. So we would be using this one just here that just goes to 6. For beginning students, you could just throw one dice. So it's got one here, you go on throw, and it comes up with the dice. Lots of things you could do here. You could get the child to tell you what the number is. You could get them to draw dots to match it on their whiteboard. You could get them to draw pictures to match it up. Really good just for getting that super simple number recognition happening. So then for the next level up, you could use 2 dice. And this is where we could start doing some simple addition. So we throw the 2 dice. We have 4 and we have 4. So on their whiteboard, what you could do is get them to draw 4 dots and then 4 dots and then tell you how many there are altogether. Really start with simple basic stuff. So just writing the numbers or drawing pictures or dots to go with it. As they get better at that, then you could maybe start putting in some equations, but really we wouldn't be doing that until term 3 at school. This is more just an introduction. I think that's about it. Thanks very much.